Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, Everything Random, a Unique Rose. Welcome to all my rosebud and gentle gems. Welcome to my new subscribers. How are you? I hope you're doing well. You guys, it is 2:34 a.m. in the morning. I can't sleep. So we're going to do this foodie taste test. Yes, we are. I did tell you guys that I was going to have two special guests, but because of the changing of the weather, everybody keeps getting sick, so they were not able to attend this foodie taste test. So it is just me. So, if you are new here, I do unboxing hauls, I do hauls, and I do the occasional video for your entertainment. So you guys, in this video, this is actually a little bit of a different foodie taste test. This is an International Yummies by Maxalees. And this is a Turkish box full of Turkish yummy num-nums. Plus, we have the Warheads sour peach soda, the sour green apple soda, and the sour blue raspberry soda. So without further ado, don't mind my look. Like I said, it's 3 something in the morning and I haven't slept. So first of all, let's open this box, shall we? First thing is first, we've got our little pamphlet here. It gives information about what's in the box. I did purchase this box off of Amazon. We also have a nutritional guide and some information on the back. So, first things first, let's jump right into this. And the first thing I'm looking at is Lupo Brownie Islak Cake. That is a brownie cake. Let me see if it has any information on that. Okay. Get ready to indulge in pure bliss with Lupa Cake, the softest, most heavenly cake you'll ever taste, with mouth-watering flavors like lemon and hash, carrot and cinnamon, rich brownie, or velvety souffle. Each bit is a divine experience that will transport your taste buds to cloud 9. Treat yourself to a slice of happiness with Lupa Cake and elevate your dessert game to a whole new level. Alright, let's give a Lupa brownie cake a try. It got smashed. Oh yeah, it got smashed. This is what it looks like. Let's give it a taste. I'm going to take a small piece here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get through this whole box, so there might be a part 2, but we shall see. It's got a weird taste of chocolate. It's good, but it's really good, but it's got a weird, not a normal taste of chocolate to me. But it's nice and moist, and it's delicioso. Next, I am pulling out a ETI Sin. Let's see if I can find that on here. The classic one. Sin means genie in English. Many Turkish people have a superstition that the word sin calls for bad souls, and they never use the word sin in their daily lives. Like you know who in Harry Potter series? Turkish people call sin as a 3-letter entity, replacement for CIN, which accounts for 3 letters in total. Okay. Well, I guess we're going to eat sin. And I don't know what variation this is in. Let's see if it's on the back here. Okay, this is a Sin Biscuit orange sauce. Sin Biscuit with orange sauce. So we'll give that a try. And that's what it looks like. Let's give that a try. Mm. Mm. Oh, that's good. I don't like citrus, but that tastes so good. Oh my goodness, I want to eat it all right now. That is bomb. Bomb.com. Mm. Next we have Osmo Burger. Let's see if I can find this on here anywhere. I believe in here you can get extra things that aren't on the paper. Yeah, I'm not seeing. I think this is an extra. Okay, well, I guess we're gonna try some Osmo Burger. Okay. These are all smushed and look weird. I have no idea what these are gonna taste like, so hopefully they're good. I have no idea what that flavor is. It's a cookie, but like the white cream kind of tastes like banana to me. The dark cream, I guess, is supposed to be chocolate, but I have no idea. And they're really good. They're just different. I mean, they're going to be because it's Turkish stuff that I've never tried. Next, we have a Tego Pop in hot cheese flavored roll snack. Okay. Alright, we're not getting much information on that. Tego Pop. I guess this is another one of those extras because I don't see it. Yeah, if you are lucky, you can get a surprise treat. So I've got a couple of them. So, oh, no, it's right here. Okay. Tego Pop, get ready to embark on a taste adventure like no other with these corn bites shaped like little fingers. Guaranteed to jazz up your palate with a burst of flavor in every nibble. With many delectable flavors to choose from. Get set to indulge in a good time with every box. Okay. Let's try some hot cheese. Wow, it looks like a big cheese puff. Alright, let's try it. It's good. It's just like a cheese puff, but with spicy cheese. That's pretty good. Moving along. We got some Chico Mico mini biscuits. And I've seen these, like the Chinese version or the Asian or Japanese version. Oh, right here. Chico Mico. Who don't like surprises, especially when the surprises, perhaps we should stop here to not spoil the surprise. Go ahead and explore it in a single cookie. Okay. the little cookie looks like. Mm. Mm. It tastes like chocolate hazelnut. Oh, that was good. That was bomb. Next we have a Kit Kat Tat. Kit Kat Tat. Let's see if I can find it on here. Croissant-ish bakery in Turkish style, filled with goodness inside. This one comes with different shapes and sizes. It has different flavors other than chocolate. These are strawberry and sesame seed flavors. You can call it deliciousness in every level, as we call it in Turkish. Kit Kat Tat. Some find it tasty, some find it stale. Okay, a controversial yet successful proven snack with a long-standing record of being around for decades in Turkey. Okay, and this one looks like it's in hazelnut. Can I have it? Oh, that just got everywhere. So, this is what it looks like. It does look like it has like a croissant type dough to it. That happened. It came apart and jumped all over me. Okay, so let's try this. Mm. Messy. That's good. It has chocolate in the inside, but it's surrounded by like puff pastry or like croissant. That's really good. That's really good. I just made an entire mess of my desk, so hold please. And we are back. I actually ate the rest of this off camera. That is really good. Really good. Next, you guys, this box is still full. We've got, let's go with this. Popping candy, Papios, cola flavored. So cola flavored popping candy. This candy has a surprise waiting for you. As soon as touching your mouth, the candy does not stand your energy and starts to explode one by one. Simply try and find out for yourself. Well, alright then. I will. If I can open it. Well, that's weird. I don't know if I'll be able to show you, but like the popping candy is like this white stuff. That's different. Definitely nothing like the US version. Nothing like it is here. You don't get that real fizzy, poppy sensation. It's really sweet. It's really good, but you don't get that pop rock type sensation. Hold please, because I'm going to open up one of these cans of the warheads so we can try it. Alright, you guys, I decided to go with the green apple warhead soda. Oh, that smells good. Cheers. It's not bad. It does have a sour kick, but not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Tastes like apple soda that's sour. Can't complain. It's not bad. Not bad. Well, let's move along. Let's see how far we can get before we get too long in this video. Alright, let's try something savory. Alright. We have Crispies. Let's see. Is Crispies on this page? No, it's on this page. Alright. You get either or both of these options. Hot, cheesy, herb, ketchup, and mayo flavored. The herb one is covered with 10 different herbs. So I think that's what we got here. As the name suggests, this snack claims to be crispy. If you are not feeling like you can handle more sweet snacks in the box, this will help you to balance the taste and regain your strength to destroy more sweets in the box. Okay, so I'm guessing that this one is the herby. Looks to be. So, is it down here? This one says crispy taco sticks, but this is not what I got. So, okay. They're little cracker sticks, I'm guessing. Don't mind the crispy wafers chips on my hand. Let's give these a try. Ooh. These would be nice to sprinkle over a salad. They taste like croutons, but a little more on the cracker side. These are good. That was a good change of pace. Alright, we'll do one more. I only got a few more left in this box. I want to finish it, but I don't want to make this video too long. Let's do this one. It's another cracker by Greta. Oh. Let's see. Greta crackers with natural and artificial olive and oregano flavor. Oh, that's not the word I'm looking for, but that's what this is. Okay. Greta is the Aegean representative of the Turkish snacking world. It represents a traditional spanning way back to Greek police cities, which is now a Turkish soil. A tradition that can be summed up with few words: oil-based biscuits coupled with unique Aegean seeds and herbs. I don't know. Alright, let's try that. Man, those other ones are really good too. Man, this is a good box. If I can get it out of here without constantly breaking them. Alright. Okay. So these are what they look like. That's good. Why don't we have crackers as good here? Maybe we do and I just haven't found them, but those are good. Alright, you guys. We only got a few more things in here, so I'm just going to kind of hurry through them. Alright, next we have a Snap's new nacho crispy healthy snack. Looks like a rice cake. What is this called? Snaps. Okay, this must be a extra in the box because I'm not seeing. Yeah, I'm not seeing this on here. So yeah, this must be an extra. So we're gonna try this. Oh, there's 3 in here. This is what it looks like. Looks like, yeah, a rice cake. It's supposed to be, what does it say, cheddar? It's not bad. I'm not a big rice cake fan. It's got a nice flavor of that cheddar though. Alright, moving along. We only got 2 more things, guys. Stay with me. No, sorry, 3 more things. Next we have a Apella Harvey milk chocolate biscuit with milk cream filling and cocoa filling. So that's what that looks like. Let me read this real quick. Stay with me, guys. Don't leave me. Stay with me. Okay. Harvey, one of the oldest standing snacks in the market. Harvey is a light chocolate for a casual snacking suggestion. Some like it alone. Some like it dipped into their cup of tea. Be creative. Have your own way of having this classic snack. Well, I don't have any tea, but I've got some apple soda. Okay. So that's what it looks like. Let's try it. It's like another cookie with like vanilla and chocolate cream. That actually tastes, it tastes like something familiar. It actually kind of tastes like a Twix. Believe it or not, it tastes like a Twix. This is really good. Alright, stay with me, guys. I know this video is getting long. 2 more things. Next, we have a Bebeto Pizza and Cola Jelly Gummy. Let me see if I can find it. Bebeto. Maybe it's on this side. I'm not seeing this one. So this must be an extra. I think I said that already. Because this isn't Yupo, is it? No. So this is an extra. I'm trying to make sure I'm not missing anything. Alright. So let's try this pizza and cola. This is a fun box. You guys let me know in the end if you want me to try another box. I think I will. See what other types of boxes they have. So this is one of the pizza slices. Again, I don't know what the flavors of these are. And I'm going to wrap her in the garbage. So we're just going to try it. Fruit and cola flavored. It tastes strawberry, apple, and possibly mango. But now, let's try the cola. It's your classic soda gummy. Made in Turkey. Okay, guys. I know this video is long. One last thing. The last thing that we have. Okay, that's sour kick. We have Jack's Sour Chewy Candy Minis. And these are in strawberry. I don't know if these are on here. I don't see that one. Let's check this one here. Yeah, I don't see it. So, let's try these out, shall we? I might save the other two sodas for the rest of the Foodie Taste Test that I have. Okay. So these are like little and I'll tell you, it wouldn't be me if I didn't drop all this stuff. But that's what they look like. Little candies. Oh. Very artificial. These aren't very good. You'll get like a hint of strawberry at first. Then it tastes like you're eating something sour and burnt. It's kind of gross. Alright, you guys. That was my Foodie Taste Test haul for you guys. I do have another one to come. So, if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you've actually tried this Turkish National Yummies box. And let me know what you think. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so very much. And I'll see you in the next video. I don't know what that is going to be going to be yet, but it might be something special. So stay tuned. I love you guys. Mwah.